How to log out your account in Fotor. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do this. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. Now, slowly scroll down. Here, there's a section of settings. Tap on settings. So basically, we're in the settings interface. Here, you can find different options and even customize it. Here at the bottom, there's a section of Logout. Now simply tap on Logout. So before doing so, make sure you have your user ID and password saved because you might need it in order to log in. So head on Logout and tap on OK. Now it will take some time and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.